Alam mo ba, one of the hardest questions in life is this: bakit may masasamang nangyayari sa mabubuting tao? At kung nararamdaman mo yan ngayon, you're not alone. Okay, let's keep this simple. Una, bad things happen because our world is broken. Hindi ganito ang original design ng Diyos. Sin messed things up. Kaya minsan kahit wala kang ginagawang mali, nasasaktan ka pa rin. And God sees that. He grieves with you. Pangalawa, this world is not the end. Hindi dito nagtatapos ang story mo. May expiration ng pain. God is still working, even now. Yung sakit na nararamdaman mo, He can turn that into something good. So hindi yan sayang. Pangatlo, pain can bring you closer to Jesus. Hindi lang about escape from suffering. It's about walking with Him through it. And sometimes, dun mo siya mas makikilala, mas mararamdaman. So if you're hurting today, hold on. Hindi ka pinabayaan. Hindi pa tapos ang kwento mo. Here's the truth you need to remember. God is not wasting your pain. He is redeeming it.